The focus of the event today is to provide an overview of the National ESP or Employer Supported Scheme and the partnership opportunities and benefits that can be derived for all concerned through this programme.
Why did we develop Employer Supported Policing? There was a desire really by special constables and our volunteers to have their employers support them. We as a police service wanted to engage with businesses and organisations, and there was also goodwill from the employers to help us with the scheme.
But what we try and do is to get people engaged, to find out who's doing it, to give them a sense of community, to get them on board and promote them as much as we can, and also support them as well.
I've been a special for 33 years and I've worked for BT for 35 years. Working for BT and combining it with a special constabulary has been fantastic. The opportunity for me to work on the government security team has only come along because of the skills and the training I've received through my work as a special in South Wales Police.
There's 5 million hours dedicated to policing through volunteering, and that's not just the 196 companies. We've got people that just volunteer, they're not part of an organisation, living in a community and say, I want to contribute.
I've worked with special constables now over a period of more than 10 years, and without exception I've seen it bring great benefits not just to the individual, but to us as the employer and to the communities where they're out and about. It's a real win-win-win.
You can't always get the skills or the people that you need, and the specials program is ideal for that. So it gave the opportunity for people to give back essentially the experience they learn in the private sector.